Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. I'm Master Kelly. I want to welcome you guys to this YouTube lesson. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Now let's get started with our warm-up. Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. Now before we start today's lesson, let's get started with the warm-up. We're going to count to 10 in Korean today, okay? Repeat after me. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. All right, let's start rotating our arms. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. The other way now. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, let's swing our arms inside and out like this. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, good. Let's start rotating our neck like this. Make sure it's nice and loose. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Going the other way. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, yeah, awesome, very good job. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to do. We're going to start putting our hands on our hips. We're going to rotate our shoulders forward. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now going the other way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome job. All right, let's take this arm. Let's go across our body. Pick it up like this, stretching it just like that. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. The other way. We're going to keep going. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's take one hand like we're scratching our back like this. Take the other hand, push our elbow down. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Let's switch to the other side. Keep counting. Ready? 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and start stretching out our legs a little bit. And put your feet together, hands on your knees. We're going to bounce down and come back up. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. Good job. 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's go ahead and have our feet apart just like this. Hands on the knees. Turn our shoulder to one side. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, now we're going to bend one knee, pick one foot up like this. Ready? I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Now have both legs straight like this. Good. Make it star shaped like this. We're going to go down to one side. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Go to the other side. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Now this time cross your arms, head down to the middle. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Awesome job, you guys. All right, shake out your hands, shake out your legs. Good. All right, get started with the lesson. Ready? And yeah. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and start the lesson. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the horse stance lesson. In this lesson today, we're going to practice another traditional stance called the horse stance. Okay, so here's how we do horse stance. So if you remember back stance and front stance, we're usually shifting weight in one leg or the other. Now horse stance is we have both weight equal, 50-50 on both legs. Now when we do this, both toes are going to be pointing straight. We're going to bend our knees, okay? And our hands just like this, okay? So here's what we're going to practice. We're going to practice the reverse punch. We're going to go low punch, middle punch, high punch together, okay? Ready? Everyone show me. Low punch, Good, make sure you keep those knees bent. Middle punch, high punch. Excellent job. Again, low punch, middle punch, high punch. Awesome, good. Again, low punch, middle punch, high punch. Awesome, good job. Now, this time we're gonna add some movement, okay? So, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try it yet. Good, all right, hands out like this. All right, now we're going to go here. We're going to pick up this leg, aim with this hand. Now, as we aim with this hand, we're gonna step out, throw a punch. Okay, let's do that together. Ready? Aim, punch. Good job. Again, aim. Keep your balance, keep your balance. Punch. Good, good. Again, aim. Good, and punch. Good, again, aim. Punch. Awesome, good job. 2 more times. Aim. Punch. Awesome, 1 more. Aim. Punch. Awesome, good job, you guys. All right, let's do the other side now. Ready? So here, aim. This one's gonna touch behind our leg and punch. Good. Aim. Punch. Good. Make sure both knees are bending, okay? Aim. Punch. Nice. Good job. Again, 2 more times. Ready? Aim. Punch. Good. Nice. 1 more. Aim. Punch. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Awesome. Very good work. Okay, now this time, here's what we're going to do. We're going to practice our horse dance. We're going to practice moving left and moving right. Now, what's going to happen is that there's going to be a beam shooting from the sky. And as that beam approaches, we got to make sure we move to one side or the other holding a horse stance. Okay, so let's do that together. Ready? Hands right here. And alright, ready to go. Awesome, good. Ready? Hands right here. And go. Awesome, good job, you guys. Ready? And go. Awesome, good work, good work. Ready? Go. Nice, good job, good job. Almost done. Ready? Go. Good, good. 1 more seconds. Ready? Go. Awesome, good. Ready? Go. Awesome, good work. 10 more seconds. Go. Awesome, good. Go. Really fast. Really fast. Really fast. Very good. And time. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Excellent job today. Awesome job, you guys. Let's see what our Tabata exercises will be for today. Alright, looks like these are the 3 exercises we're going to do. Now remember, Tabata is 20 seconds of go, followed by 10 seconds of rest. So make sure when it's time to go, you push yourself as hard as you can. And when it's time to rest, take a deep breath, catch your breath, so you're ready to attack it again, okay? I'll see you guys there. Great job, everyone. High five. Awesome. I know that workout might have been pretty tough. Now, hey, you guys did an awesome job. Now, the lesson isn't over yet, so I'm going to give you guys about a minute to take a quick water break. When you come back, make sure you guys continue with the lesson. I'll see you guys soon. Hey parents, are you looking for a way to help your child get more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I would like to introduce to you our very own app called Dojo Go TV. Our app will give you access to a library of different courses updated throughout the year for your kids to enjoy full-length lessons away from YouTube. This means no ads, no suggested videos, and your membership continues to support Dojo Go content. Each series inside the app takes your kids on an interactive story to help them not only learn the moves from martial arts, but also have lots of fun along the way.